wings, ready for the flight. Off to the pond where the lilies bloom. Ducky loves to dance in the soft afternoon. With a wiggle and a waddle it goes around, looking for some bugs on the soft wet ground. Nibbling here and there, oh what a treat. Ducky loves a snack that's crunchy and sweet. In the sunny meadow where the flowers grow, little Ducky finds a friend and they say hello. Together they play under skies so wide. Ducky and a bunny hop side by side. Quack, 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 the little ducky sings, waddling by the water with its bright yellow wings. Splash, splash, splash in the pond so blue. Little Ducky loves to swim just like you do. When the raindrops fall, pitter patter on the ground, Ducky loves the puddles jumping all around. Splashing in the mud, making big wet rings. Ducky feels so happy, oh how it sings. As the evening comes and the stars appear, Ducky snuggles down with his friends so dear. Underneath the moon, in a cozy nest, little Ducky dreams of the day, oh so blessed. When the morning wakes and the sun so bright, Ducky greets the day with a heart so light. Off to the pond with a joyful cheer, little Ducky's ready for another fun-filled year. Quack, quack.